Hello, this is Virendra. As I promised that I am interested in learning the Chanakya Niti, which is full of wisdom and lot of valuable teachings of life. And if we are sincerely practicing, it can make us successful in dealing with day-to-day problems of our life. Chanakya applied his teachings of Niti Shastra that has made him stand out as a significant historical figure. The great Pandit teaches us that lofty ideas can become a certain reality if intelligently work towards achieving our goal in a determined, progressive and practical manner. And I am very happy that most of our friends have loved this teaching on YouTube, and that has made me inspired and motivated to come out with some more uploads. Here it goes. Poverty, disease, sorrow, imprisonment and other evils are the fruits borne by the tree of one's own sins. Wealth, a friend, a wife, and a kingdom may be regained, but this body, when lost, may never be acquired again. The enemy can be overcome by the union of large numbers, just as grass, though its collectiveness, ward of erosion caused by heavy rainfall. Oil on water, a secret communication to a base man, a gift given to a worthy receiver, and scriptural instruction given to an intelligent man, spread out by virtue of their nature. A man should feel before as he feels after repentance, then who would not attain perfection. Means look before you leap. Before taking any action, you should really understand what I am doing, what will be the result of it, and after analysis only we should proceed towards its completion. We should not feel pride in our charity, austerity, valor, scriptural knowledge, modesty and morality, for the world is full of rarest gems. We should always speak what would please the man of whom we expect favor, like the hunter who sings sweetly when he desires to shoot a deer. It is ruinous to be familiar with the king, fire, the religious preceptor, and a woman. To be altogether indifferent of them is to be deprived of the opportunity to benefit ourselves. Hence our association with them must be from a safe distance. We should always deal cautiously with fire, water, women, foolish people, serpents and members of a royal family, for they may, when the occasion presents itself, at once bring about our death. We should be considered to be living, which virtuous and pious, but the life of a man who is destitute of religion and virtues is void of any blessings. If you wish to gain control of the world by performance of a single deed, then keep the following 15, which are prone to wander here and there. these are five sense organs: the eyes, nose, the tongue and the skin, and the five sense objects: objects of sight, sound, smell, taste and touch, and the organs of activity: hands, legs, mouth, genitals and anus. He is a Pandit, or awakened one, enlightened one, a man of knowledge, who speaks what is suitable to the occasion, who renders loving service according to his ability, and he knows the limits of his anger. A wise man should not divulge the formula of a medicine which he has well prepared, an act of charity which he has performed, domestic conflicts, private affairs with his wife, poorly prepared food he may have been offered, or slang he may have heard. The cuckoos remain silent for a long time. For several seasons, until they are able to sing sweetly in the spring, so as to give joy to all. Means we should wait for the right time, strike the iron while it is hot. But sometime, don't wait for the iron to be hot. Make the iron hot and then you strike. We should secure and keep the following: the blessings of meritorious deeds, wealth, grain, the words of a spiritual master, and rare medicines. Otherwise, life becomes impossible. Dissociate with wicked company, associate with saintly persons, acquire virtue day and night, and always meditate on that which is eternal, forgetting that which is temporary. Dear friends, easier said than done. These are the noble thoughts which Chanakya wrote in his Chanakya Niti, and he was very successful in his life. I am sure this will help us to know the society better, and by using them we can serve the society by becoming an enlightened person. Thank you very much indeed.